This is Justin with Drain Medic at 31563 Eagle Rock Way in Laguna Beach, California, 92651. This is the sewer line inspection after we have performed our repair. This section that you're looking at is broken open on the bottom of the pipe. As you can see, the piping that we're tying on to is Orangeburg piping. Piping that's broken is Orangeburg piping. It is in better condition where we're tying on at this point, but as you can see, about 6 feet down line, the pipe begins to crack again.